Hello and welcome. My name is Aditi Nagpal Girotra. In order to give relief to small businesses hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, Indian government is now planning to guarantee loans to these businesses. India is considering a proposal to guarantee as much as $39 billion of loans to small businesses as part of a plan to restart its economy, which is reeling under the impact of a 40-day lockdown. Under this proposal, small firms will be eligible to borrow an additional 20% of their credit limit, asking not to be identified as the discussions are private. The extra debt will be fully backed by the government, which will set up a special fund to pay for any defaults. The government and regulators are slowly coming out with programs as everyone from companies to fund managers struggle under the world's biggest lockdown, which has halted manufacturing and wiped out consumption. With economies set to contract for the first time in 4 decades, PM Modi's endorsement is the only way to make it attractive for banks, which are concerned about rising delinquencies, to lend to small businesses. If targets are set for banks for availing refinancing under such a scheme, along with credit guarantees, this will to an extent ensure credit flow to MSMEs and ultimately help in reviving economic growth. Small businesses, which form the bedrock of the $2.7 trillion economy, have been the worst hit by the lockdown, with their activity coming to a halt. An estimated 100 million workers in mining, construction, manufacturing and services sector have been rendered jobless due to the lockdown. To mitigate liquidity crunch in the mutual fund segment, the Reserve Bank of India has opened a special liquidity window of $6.56 million. India's apex bank, the Reserve Bank of India, on Monday announced a special liquidity facility for mutual funds of $6.56 billion with a view to easing liquidity pressures on mutual funds. The RBI has stated that it remains vigilant and will take whatever steps are necessary to mitigate the economic impact of COVID-19 and preserve financial stability. Under the special liquidity facility for mutual funds, the RBI shall conduct repo operations of 90 days tenure at the fixed repo rate. The SLF-MF is on tap and open-ended, and banks can submit their bids to avail funding on any working day. The scheme is available from Monday till the 11th of May or up to utilization of the allocated amount, whichever is earlier. The Reserve Bank will review the timeline and amount depending upon market conditions. Funds availed under the scheme can be used by banks exclusively for meeting the liquidity requirements of MFs by extending loans and undertaking outright purchase of or repos against the collateral of investment-grade corporate bonds, commercial papers, debentures and certificates of deposits held by mutual funds. In its press release, the RBI said, heightened volatility in capital markets in reaction to coronavirus has imposed liquidity strains on mutual funds, which have intensified in the wake of redemption pressures related to closure of some debt MFs and potential contagious effects therefrom. The RBI added liquidity support availed under the scheme would be eligible to be classified as held to maturity, even in excess of 25% of total investment permitted to be included in the HTM portfolio.